I'm Jeff Kloska, Product Manager for Keystone RV Sprinter Division. Sprinter is Keystone's legacy brand and a flagship for the company. It is our goal to continue to bring to you the best product to the market for the money. Building on 100-inch wide-body platforms, our unique approach to developing floor plans is just one way we define our ability to make camping easy. Sprinter's new clean and modern look will certainly make our customers feel at home. Let's talk about what's coming up for fall of 2020. The all-new 3190 RL is a floor plan designed for spacious, open concept living. Sleeping up to 6, this layout features urban decor with Astana pine cabinetry, bringing a light and elegant feel throughout. All new woven flooring in our main slides provides a more durable and easier to clean solution. These floors have proven to be a definite win. Congolian flooring is not your old-fashioned linoleum. With its modern and realistic look, this beautiful flooring will offer comfort for years to come. Additionally, we've moved to a legless flip-up dinette table with an extension and storage, which means no more knee knocking on those pesky table posts. Our new roller shade window treatments and dimmer switches makes it easy to adjust for lighting and privacy at any time. Last but not least, the exterior features a higher gloss, brilliant silver max sidewall and graphics package, providing a sharp, light design. For more information on Sprinter, visit KeystoneRV.com